Introducing the Amantii LumaForest Electric Fireplace, where stunning design meets modern innovation. Experience breathtaking views from every angle with a versatile three-sided glass design that adapts to your space. Install it your way. Whether built into a media wall, corner feature, or custom design, the LumaForest transforms any room into a showpiece. Personalize every moment with adjustable flame colors, canopy lighting, tray lighting, and customizable ambience settings. A mirrored back panel enhances the flame presentation, creating remarkable depth and visual impact. Enjoy efficient warmth with adjustable heat settings and hardwire-ready performance up to 10,000 BTUs. Designed for modern living spaces, the LumaForest can be safely installed beneath your television. Create a space that feels warmer, looks better, and leaves a lasting impression with the Amantii LumaForest Electric Fireplace.